And I know she's getting a little bit Dora. Yeah, welcome to the channel. My name is Janae. If you are new and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, hey girl, hey. So I see the title of the video. Today I'm reviewing this bomb affordable bang bob unit from Amazon, honey, and I think this is going to be perfect for spring and summer. Y'all already know the deal. As always, honey, go grab a snack, take a seat so we can get to this review. I try to make it real simple with this video because literally it's a throw on unit. I just put my wig cap on and put the unit on, but before I put the unit on, it does have lace right here in the center, which I love. I know everybody always want like that bob unit, and we just want a little bit lace in the middle to make it look a little bit more realistic. This has it already. It does have a band inside the unit if you want to tighten it or make it, you know, longer. I do love that it does have two combs in the front and in the back, so it is a complete glueless unit, honey. I do notice that it did have the knots in the unit bleached. So only thing I did really, girl, was use my foundation brush. They had a little bit of foundation left when I did my makeup and just tapped it in there, and that was pretty much all. I did add a little bump to it off camera, and I know she's getting a little bit Dora. I know, but she's cute. And I like the length of her, especially for spring and summer. I don't want all the hair on my neck. This is definitely going to be a throw-on unit for when I'm going to run errands or just need something just really quick and I don't want to deal with any lace. This is going to be perfect. She is a Yaki texture. So she has a little bit of a coarseness to her. She didn't have much of a scent to me, but if you would like, you can probably co-wash her before you put it on your head, because again, it's human hair. And so I really like the texture of it. It adds a little bit more of a, you know, volume to the unit. It makes it look a little bit more natural. She is more of like a 1B, but of course you can darken her by simply, you know, do it like the watercolor method and, you know, darken her with some hair dye. But other than that, I'm in love with her. I haven't experienced any shedding really with her. This is my first day rocking her. I already seen the side by side. Well, the before the video, I actually did like a unboxing, if you will, because this is a last minute review. I was actually going to be reviewing her specifically for my TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, I'll make sure I link that down below, but I had to share with my YouTube girlies. So if you want to grab this unit, I'm going to make sure I link her down below. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this unit with my own coins, honey, okay? So again, I want to thank you guys so much for showing me mad love on all my social media platforms. Don't forget to tell someone that you care about, that you love. Until next time. Bye.